We are Oxizen providing emergency response solutions to the car owners or any automotive users. Our first solution is to theft response solution. This includes control modules with GPS and GPRS and includes several sensors like ignition identifier, motion identifier, and door opener, exhaust and location sensor. And as soon as the non-owner of the car tries to use the car in various mechanisms, we sense the signals and alert the owner through an SMS directly, and thereby he get an alert to see what is happening with his parked car. And then simultaneously we initiate a response call from the emergency response center to the owner via a telephone call and give him the information, the status, what is happening. All the data, what is sensors records and the call center will be recorded and stored in the data center. And finally then we start providing the GPRS location to identify where the car is located till where the owner required to have that kind of response. And then finally we close the case, giving all the information to the responsible owner. Second service provided to our customers is the accident response service. This will include the various sensors as shown, like impact sensors, front impact and accelerometers to notify the acceleration, and radiator sensors. We have proprietary sensors and side impact sensors and picture inside while accident happen, and the location sensor. This is controlled by a control module which includes the sensor integration with those control module, and then it directly sends an alert message to a nearby external response or agencies. That could be the ambulance service providers or government-owned service response, emergency response providers. And simultaneously our emergency response center contacts the nearby external agencies, make sure that they have received the message, and also our emergency response services contacts the nearest relatives and any whoever registered to respond to be contacted in case of emergencies. This is where our owners, the customers, will be providing the information, and we can contact them and give the contact information. And we make sure that the external agencies and the relatives received the confirmation about the message. And then finally we close the case. And there is another additional services we want to develop accordingly. But these are the two main major services we want to concentrate in the initial stage. This is how our low fidelity photo type looks like. And we are starting the hardware design, and thereby we integrate and start testing in coming weeks. Thank you.